Hello everyone, this is Will. So I think this is my first video. Today I'm going to try a very interesting feature in Kubernetes, which is called job, which is also just introduced by some of my colleagues this afternoon. And they said that in a job you can spawn more than one containers at the same time and let them run. And so I just tried a little bit on my laptop. So here you can see that there is already a successful completed pod here. And something interesting is here it is 0, which means it is automatically spawned and run something, and when it is finished it kill himself automatically. Think about a scenario that sometimes you run this pipeline online, for example a pipeline to deploy something or do some unit test. I think it is very useful for that. And also, of course, it can save a lot of this compute resource things, and of course it saves a lot of money. So let's try again how it works. Now we have this environment on my laptop. Actually it is spawned up by Vagrant. It is inside the VM. So let's see here. First thing first, let's just clean the environment. Let's delete all the things I have done before. So let's delete the pod first. Alright, it's done. And also the job. Yeah, as you can see, you can even have these successful numbers counting in the job descriptions. Okay, let's delete. Alright, now we have a very clean system. So let's have a look about the job. So this is the description about the job. Of course, first of all, you need to have this kind, which is job, and the name, which is spy. When the template and spec, which is all the same like pod. And you need to specify the name, you need to specify the image, and of course here we have a pro. So interesting things here. This job will spawn this container, and which is a list in YAML format. And here I just try it for one. This one is a pi. It is a pro container, a running command like pro, and to print the pi for log, which is very simple, very smoothly. So let's try to run it. So based on the description online, everything we need to do is to run this little command, like what we did here, just like every other Kubernetes. Okay, here is done. Let's check the job. Now it is spawned, and let's check the pod. Alright, and I think it is running, and of course this container is still creating. Let's check everything was happening inside. Okay. Alright, so it looks like this is already started. So let's check it again. Well, not like this. Well, somehow it's stuck. Okay, let's check again. And let's check the pod. As you can see, it's already completed just 1 minute ago. And here we can check the logs about the new logs. So we input the log. And right, you can see it here. And of course you can try to run again. No. Whoa! So certainly we cannot do that. So let's delete it first and create it again. But of course, I think there should be some other better ways to do that, but let's check it later. Maybe in my next video. Okay, which the calendar is spawned and it's creating, and let's watch it. Okay, now it's running and it's completed. Yeah, so now we trace the whole process. After that, we can try to get everything inside the logs of this Pi. And here, right here, you can see the name is automatically changed. So, well, I think the Kubernetes system did a lot of things for you. Then, okay, you can see everything here. I think that's all about today. And at last, there is an interesting part here. If you want to check which pod generate, which job, generate the pod, which means you need to check the relationship between job and the pod, you can just run this command to get everything what you need. So we get this command and get everything into this parameter, and now we just echo this parameter. Now you can see it is this pod, just like what we have here. And for the job name, we don't use the job name, we just specify the selector, which is also inside the YAML file of the job, as you can see here. So it's called selector job name Pi. Let's copy it first. And when we go to the here, oh well, so there's no selector. So I think the selector is just from the job itself, automatically generated, and the name exactly is here. I think it will go to find the name at here. So I think that is all we want to see today. Sorry about my expression, I'm still learning. Later on I will put more interesting thing to this place. Thank you everybody. Bye.